I think I should use my buds. Let me use the buds then. Where's my buds? Where is my buds? Wait a minute. My buds. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, let me open the chat window. Maybe I need. Maybe today people will join. Okay, cool. So we'll follow the similar pattern. Audible, right? So we'll follow the similar pattern. Cool. We'll do is we'll try at Coda. The previous live stream, I messed up, completely messed up that DP question because I take the input in a wrong fashion. That's the only mistake. I think I solved 81. Yeah, we solved 81 and let's try 82. Okay. This is actually a triple IIT-Delhi t-shirt. Does it even visible? Yeah, cool. Arita flex. Done. Check. One check done. First question. Second check done. I will make some. I should make the screen look some interactive, right? Like today's goal, checklist. Let's start then. Let's not wait for anyone. People will join. Obviously, a person you want to improve. They don't have excuses, right? Ah, why I'm getting distracted. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Let's not make any excuse. We'll solve this contest, and the target is will not do any wrong answer. We'll understand question properly. Okay. Takashi run a store. The store has n type of products. Okay, each distinguished by the number from 1 to n. The regular price of product is AIN per item. Okay, item has AIN item. This store has a membership system. When member custom receive discount KN per item. Okay, that means if I understand correctly, specifically when non-member customer purchases, like if you have a membership, you'll you'll get a K yen discount per item, and if you are non-member person, you have to pay full price. Okay, that is what they describe here. Now, N purchase is record given. The jth record contain value as indicating whether customer is one or zero. That means it's a premium. Let's take a membership or not. And a quantity DJ purchase. Okay. Product PI purchase and quantity DJ. Wait a minute. We have M queries. We can think like we have M queries. A jth in M query we have three integers. You see here. We see here, right? S means it can be zero or one. If it is one, that means it's a member. A person took a membership. Okay. Then what's P is product number, which product it will gonna buy, purchase, and how many quantity. Mhm. So it's just implementation question. There's no logical here. What we'll do, simple maths here. We'll take the input. What are the inputs? N, M, and K. N, M, and K. Cool, right? Now let's declare one answer variable here. And we have n queries. Okay. And each query will get first S, P, and D. S is S denotes the membership status, P denotes which product gonna buy, and D denotes how many items of the product a customer will buy. So what we'll do is if S is equal to 1, we'll simply put this. What we have to put the purchase amount. If S is equal to 1, that's it's a member. So the price of this person is, I think it's a one based index, right? I need to do P minus minus here. What we'll do here is max of P minus A. Actually, we have to take the input of price of each item. Let's say it is vector of P of N. I've taken the input of price of each item. We'll do is P minus A of in 0. It's a discount, right? This is a discount into D. This is what we do. Else, if it is 0, then there's no discount. Then simply print A of P into D. And it simply gives the out answer. And we get pass, right? Okay. Let's submit and move to the next question then. Settle down. मेरे साथ में. No, I'm not promoting you. One question down. One question down. Yeah, let's move to the next question then. Solve the love मेरे साथ में. Yeah, I can formulate the song like this. Okay. So the second question is maximize the partition score of a lamp sequence. Okay. It's a pretty big problem statement. Okay. So we'll read the story and we'll link to our problem statement. Okay. So Takashi has a device with an lamp arranged in a row. It can be on or off. Okay. Denoting the lamp from left to right. This is the sequence. A state of device is represented as an integer. Okay. Denoting a lamp from left to right has B1 to Bn. The state of device is represented by an integer. So, based on this sequence, let's say if it can be 0 or it can be 1. So actually, we create an integer from them. Okay, I got a nice. I take it as a compliment. He messaged me like Rasgulla just a picture of. I take it as a compliment, right? See, we always should feel proud if someone is messaging you, if someone you like, you're special for someone. Always respect it. I won't ignore. Okay, that's fine. Let's not divert then. So denoting the lamp from left to right is this. Okay, so say so device. What they're trying to say is, um, you have an lamp and it can be on and off. So you have a state of all n lamps, right? So from that state, we can create a integer. That's fine. That is ith lamp from the bi corresponding to the ith bit from the bottom of a binary representation of x. Okay, we got it. The following operation is repeatedly performed on Takashi's device. The operation is performed at most k times, but may stop midway. Okay. What are the operation? One operation can be check the leftmost lamp of a current sequence. If it is 1, do nothing and terminate all operation. If it is 1, do nothing and terminate all operation. If it is 0, remove the lamp from the sequence and append 1 on lamp to the right end. Okay. If if the number of operation has not yet reached K, perform the operation again and again. Okay. In other words, this is a mathematical way. Just trying to formulate in a English statement. I got an idea. What they're trying to say is, see, you can take an example. This is not, we have to read. In other words, as long as the leftmost lamp is off, remove it and append it. We can draw. That's how. Let's say we have 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. We have something like this. What we'll do, as long as leftmost lamp is off, so this is off, right? Let's say there are few more like this. Append, remove it. Let's say this is 0, so we'll remove here and append an on lamp to the right end. So we'll add 1 here. We'll remove this, we'll add 1 here. And let's say k is equal to 3, no, k is equal to 4. So we perform 1, 2, 3, your pen. If we receive 1, we'll stop here. Doesn't matter k is 0 or not. K is still 1, right? We perform 3 operation, k is 4. That means we can perform at most 4 operation, right? So 3 and yeah, this is what we do. After this process, okay, brings M lamp sequence. Okay, each lamp sequence Each lamp sequence also has length n, okay, and the state of jth lamp sequence represented by integer yj, okay. So this is one of the device sequence. Now we'll perform this k operation. After that, okay came with a k m different devices. You can say there are m different devices. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so Takashi choose a single common split position p for all m plus 1 sequence, his own process lamp sequence and Oki's m. Okay. So Takashi want to split somewhere. I click something. My drawing, fuck, all my paint gone. My paint, I need. So what we have discussed is, see, first of all, let's say this is the sequence. Okay. And k is equal to 4. So firstly, we'll do at most 4 operation until we hit 1. If we hit 1 in between, we'll stop terminate our process. Otherwise, we'll go for key operation. So what we'll do is we'll remove this 3 and the fourth operation we encounter 1. So we'll stop performing operation and we add 3. After doing this, OK will came with m different devices, right? It has some sequence here, right? M different devices. Okay. Now, yeah, we are here. Now, Takashi choose a single split. Takashi want to split somewhere. Let's say this is the split. Okay. Always try to visualize. That's how you can formulate you can narrow down your storytelling into a crux. His owns, okay. Each length sequence is divided into left. So we have, this is the P. If we divide some everything, so we have P lamp here and we have here N minus P lamp, right? Cool. For each lamp sequence, letting the lamp of the left side as this will create a new integer from this. Similarly, and we create a new integer for this using this binary, right? Okay. So what's the goal now? Let be okay. We created two integers. Restarted wrong. Okay, that's good. Let's b be the sum of integer value of the right side or sum of this value. And what's a here? Okay, a is the sum. Okay, okay. So we want to find a maximum sum. See, we want to split and we want to make a split. And so we have a group, right? We have this many number. This is let's say x1 and this is y1, right? So for from each device we'll get x2, y2. So what we have to do here is we have to sum. We have to sum all this. We actually sum all this number and we want a maximum. So I hope brute force will work here, but we will have to do uh what like a good brute force and not a vague, right? What are the inputs actually? N, K, M, X. That's true, right? That is what I understand. Let's code it out and we'll see. So there's nothing much to think here, right? The process we have to just follow. Okay. We have N, K, M, and X. What X is? Wait a minute. What is X here? Okay, okay. X is the initial. X is just the device lamp representation of Takashi. And K and X. Okay. Hmm. So now what we'll do here is, hmm, firstly we have to take care of these things. Okay. int I is equal to n, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. What we have to do here is, what can I do is let's make life easy. We'll convert into string. Yeah, we convert into string. That would be better, right? Or what we can do is, yeah, we'll convert into string and we'll perform the operation and we'll again convert into integers. That's what we can do here. That is much easier to visualize also, right? Yeah. String b is empty for now, while x, if x mod 2, what we have to add here is, if x mod 2 is equal to 1, so we'll add 1. If x mod 2 is equal to 0, we add 2. That is what we do, yeah. If x mod 2, then b plus is equal to 1, else b plus is equal to 0, and x divided by 2. Let's debug what we get. And we have to reverse. Yeah, this is how we convert integer to binary, right? Yes, this is good. This is 4 in binary, right? So what we'll do here is for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, right? And yeah, What we'll do if if S B of I is one, we'll break. Otherwise, what we'll do here is well, we can. I got it. What we can do here is others K minus minus, right? We won't perform. So now what we'll do here is if K is equal to zero, break, right? So if K, oh wait a minute, what we'll do is we'll not we'll do count plus plus. K is equal to count and we break here. Yeah. So this many zero we have to remove from the front and this many one we have to add at the end. Right? So we'll create a new base. It just as p dot substring starting from count till end. Let's debug and at the end we have to add nb plus is equal to 1 into count. This is how Pythons work like this. S dot std dot insert. Yeah, it is working. I want to insert case in character. Does it work like this? No. Okay. You can learn new syntax then. I want to insert same character X time in a string C++. It will be great, right? Oh, this is, I don't know. Position is and count and one. Oh, this is working. This is cool. I will debug newbie. And we had a syntax error. Out of range. Huh? Still out of range? Wait a minute, let me debug first here. What I'm getting. Yeah, it reduced the size, right? Got it, got it. So we're getting 101. Okay, okay, cool. This is fine. Let me test for because here we are unable to perform. Here we haven't like due to one we are restricted to perform the operation, right? That's why we're getting 444. Maybe here, here also. Maybe here we get something. Wait, what? You always have one in front of everything. This is crazy. Ah, okay. I want to learn the syntax actually. This is pretty cool. Like we don't even need to run for loop for this, right? I'm not getting why it's k is equal to 0, that's fine. X is equal to also 0, then B is just empty. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. What's this? The second is K, right? This is K. This is K. That's fine. This is M and this is X. If B is equal to empty, here we can do something. If B is equal to empty, P plus is equal to 0, we can. Actually, this is M, right? Yeah. So actually, we have to put here. We can put front or in back. We always have to put in front, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what we'll do here is if b dot size is less than n, then b is equal to, I need a string of character 0. How many times is just n minus size of b? Oh, this is also working. Plus b. Let's see. Oh my God. Wait, what? It should add 0, right? This is not correct syntax. I want a string. I think we can. This is a good question. See, we have learned. I'm exploring string operations. I can run for loop also, but I don't want to. I want to know how we can go inside the structure, right? What are the methods actually it has? Show all 30 definition. I want a string of the same character with X count. Like I want to insert three zeros. So I can run for loop also here, right? But I want to know the syntax, how we can do such things. We can do like this, like b dot insert at 0. I want to insert for n minus size of b, and I want to insert 0. This will serve the purpose. Oh, nice. It is actually. It is. Cool, cool, cool. So, what we did here is, that's fine. So, yeah. So in this case, we're getting 2. So are we also getting 2 or not? That is what we want to do, right? So actually we are getting, see, we'll make one split here and 1 plus 1, that's 2. This is fine. Now we're done with this part. If you notice, we have done with this part. Now we need to bring this OKs also. It came into picture, right? What we'll do is we create nice functions that will serve the purpose, will not make our code messy. Okay. What we'll do is we'll pass X and it will give you a string. If we pass string and it will give you a digit in base 10. Nice. Now we have one string. Now we need m string. So let me create a function here. Get binary from x, and let's say n also. That is what the size I want. Right? What we'll do here is we'll copy this function here. Hmm. Copy this over here. Okay. And we copy this also. Cool. Right? And we'll return the here. Cool. Now we don't need this such things. Yeah, we don't need these things anymore. What we'll do here is we'll do this string b is equal to get binary of x. Cool. And we'll pass n of course. Now we'll create a vector of string. We have one string that is v dot pushback b. Now we'll do for all m. Hmm. Less than m I plus plus. Cool. Right? What we'll do is string b is equal to, actually we have this, right? Uh, int x, string x, b is equal to get binary x, and of course we need to pass n also. Then, hi Rich, how are you? I'm good, I'm good. We'll do is b dot push back this b. Now we have m plus 1 strings. Okay. Now we need to put, so if you notice, we're done with this part. Now we have processed this part also. Yeah, this part. Now we have to make a split. Now we are at here. So what we'll do is we'll try brute force. I mean brute force means I will try each split and we'll get our answer. Let's say answer is equal to 0. Rank is equal to 0. I is less than. I was just going to do lit code. So thanks. Yeah, I will also try lit code once. Hopefully I will able to solve all the 4 questions in an hour till 4, like A, B, C, D. Right now I'm at B. Actually, I'm focusing more on my code quality instead of solving faster. So where we are, yeah, we'll do split, right? Less than and I plus plus. Yeah. So this is the first split here. And we have m numbers, right? And m can go, that's fine. So what we'll do here is, and we have m plus 1, right? J is equal to 0, j is less than equal to m, j plus plus. Cool. So from here, what we'll do is we'll get in. What we can do is we'll just create a current sum is 0. So first split. So what's that split is? We'll get let's say string left and right. So left is just v of I dot substring. It starts from 0 and it has a p character. That means I character. This is left. And what is the right is just v dot I dot string substring. That will be from index I and it goes till end. And We need to create one more function that will give you corresponding integer. That will give you corresponding integer for a binary string. So I will call this get digit from the string s, right? Its answer is equal to 0. For int I is equal to 0, what we'll do is for auto ampersand character over s. If c if c is equal to 1, then we'll do answer plus is equal to power. Actually, we need an index here. So let me do this. Less than size of s I plus plus. If s of I is equal to 1, then we'll do answer plus is equal to power of 2 comma I. Right? This is what do, and we'll return answer. So we'll pass what the purpose of this function is. We'll pass a string and it will return a corresponding integer. Right? So what we'll do here is current sum plus is equal to left, current sum plus is equal to right, and with this split, wait a minute, it's a string, right? Wait, get digit from left, and we'll do get digit from right. Yeah. So with the ith split, this is our current, and in answer will store the maximum, max of answer comma current sum, and will return our answer. We need to debug anyway. I think, yeah. So we are missing something here. What's that is? So let me first debug V. What we have in V. So in V we just have 0, 0. That's not true, right? We have to push NB here. Yeah, this is fine now. We have to push NB and then the OK brings. Okay, in V we have 1, 1. That's fine. And what's the split here? Current sum. And the split is at I. Okay, I is equal to 0. The current sum is 0. How come it is? What's left and right here? No, I want to know what's the string is here. String that is S of V of I, right? Cool. So we have 1, 1 here. Now what's left and right? We are splitting at 0 index. We have 1, 1. This is what? We have 1, 1. And we are making a split here. So it's 0 and it should give a 3. 0 and 3. Or we can't even make a split. Oh, wait a minute. I think we can't make a split at this position. Okay, so we have to start with one always. Still, let's debug left and right. Okay, so start from 0 and give me this start from I. What's the issue here? This is how we get substring, right? Left, where is the issue? Wait, I think we have left. No, no. Where's fail? Oh, fuck. It is V of J. Sorry, it's my bad. It should be V of J here. Yeah. See, we are getting right. This is what we want actually. So left is one, right is one. I think we need to make a reverse here. This is what I want to reverse here. All S. What's the answer? Let me print debug here also answer. How come it is zero? What S here? S is equal to one. Ah, that's a mistake. Yeah, it's a character, right? See, we are getting two, right? Okay, this is not good. Oh, this is also not good. What they mentioned here is create like this. I start from 1 to that. Okay. Let B be the sum of integer value of all right part. And A is the integer value of all left part. It's actually this, this is what, right? Wait. How come B is this long? This is not true something. Okay. So here we have 4. 4, right? I think should be 100. What's wrong here? P. Ah, got it, got it. So we don't need this part here. Actually, we need only for B. Yes. No, no, that's true actually. No, no, wait, wait. This is fine. It should be 100, right? Why I'm getting two extra zeros? Suffering of count. What we did here is, let's say I remove three number, 0, 1, 2. So I want from 3, okay. Yeah, we need to debug here. The thing is, this is not correct, actually. I pass X as, this is not correct, right? What is X here? X is 4. Yeah, X is 4. And what's N is? Oh, okay, okay, wait a minute. Maximum number, length of lamp. Ah, got it, got it. We don't need to have to, we have to insert in front. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. What is B here? It should be 4, right? Yeah, it is 4. Cool. Got it. Wait a minute. Something messed up here. Yeah. Then, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, this is what we want. One, two, three, four, five. Cool. So this is our B, right? Now we have performed two operations. That means this two will go back. So this we have end up with this. Yeah, this is also fine. Now now we have to deal with we will add two more devices, 3 and 16. So 3 and 16. Cool. There's no such mistake here. Yeah, and we'll perform one by one. Do we also perform at 0? Wait, let me do 0 here. Oh, this is not good then. We have to perform at 1. Do we also perform at this? No, this is also not good. So why I'm getting what's the error then? We're getting 20 here. Answer is 23. For all the left part, we generate a number. Okay. Let A be the sum of integer value of all the left part, m plus 1. And we can say like A is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, right? Why I'm not able to write correctly? C3. And for the B also we have D1. Actually, we want to give sum of all this number. So what I did here is, yeah, this is what I did. Wait, let me see. So let's say we process with this, right? Left is one, this is this. So this is one, and this is three. Okay, zero and three. Okay, one and zero. Okay, current sum is eight. That's fine. And we have one zero and one one. This should be one zero means two and three, and that is five. And here zero and three. Okay, here we have one zero, that is two and zero. That is fine. The current sum is 10. Okay. In this case, now we have three digits. Okay, with three digits. That is one and four. No. Yeah, this is four and this is three. This is seven and zero and three. Okay. From here, we'll get 4 and 0. Okay, that makes our sum 12. Now we'll take four digits. They mentioned here, right? We can take from 1 to n digits. P can be from 1 to n minus 1. Okay, we can't take the entire sequence. I think I have to change this thing. Title is not looking good. People likes, they subscribe. No need to ask them, right? If someone finds it's interesting, mm, this is good now. Cool. 4, 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's make some 20. Where I'm missing. Here I'm getting 8. What happened here? Okay, this is also not good. This is also not good. Do we long, right? 46. Yeah, long can. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Where I am missing? Where I am missing? We had a split from 1 to n minus 1 for each. Wait, A and B. This is same thing, right? So A and B, A plus B, A plus B. This is same thing. See what I'm missing. Let me see the editorial. Mhm. They use some inbuilt functions, but we did the same thing actually. We had a split also. We had a good split also. We tried all the split, right? Then what's the error here? We tried all the splits, and from all the splits, we get the left part and we get the right part. Okay, then what's the issue? This is 4. The size of each string should be 4. If it is 4, then size of each string should be 4. Hmm. Okay, are we missing anything here? Hmm. Hmm. Let's give AI to debug. What's wrong then? See, we are using 64 integer, right? Long is 64. In let me give AI to debug. We haven't did any. I think that would be a silly mistake here. Something I'm missing. This is also correct. Maybe there is some glitch here. Maybe because I use some inbuilt functions. This is first time I'm using like this. And there's the simplest way I know. We can run for loop count like CT time and add one, but I don't want to use that for loop. I want to learn syntax actually. This is the way. Let's see what that's fine actually. I want to know what's what's wrong in my approach. I don't want a fucking any another approach. What's wrong in my code? Just tell me. Oh, is it? Let's say this is the right part. How we are calculating? Yeah, this is how I'm calculating, right? 0. Okay, okay. For the right part, into the reverse of right. I think yeah, this is what they mentioned in the question. The left part also. Oh my God. Got it. So we are doing reverse here somewhere. This is not we have to do. Okay. Now we are getting extra answers. 26, 8. No, no, no. What's the mistake then? I think I messed up with the order. The left part is this. Telling you, see, you can start with I 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, likewise. Okay. Hmm. This is left. I passed the left. What's wrong here? Hmm. This is fine. Left to right. From left to right. Okay. And the power restarted from 2 to the power 0 with the right part. Okay. They are also processing from left to right. That's wrong, yeah. Split position P to maximize A plus B. Find the maximum value. Let me debug that. So this is 4, right? That means we have 1, 0, 0. So for 4, we have this, right? This is our first 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And rest are this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. If we made split here, we get, I'm using a pen and paper to just identifying the bug. If we make split here, so we'll get 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3. 4, 5. So 8. 8 should be the answer. We have 11. Wow. How? How 11? Wait a minute. So this is 1 and this is, what is this? 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 2, 4. Oh my God. Wait a minute. So we are processing this string, right? Left is this, right is this. So this is 1 and this is actually 12. Yeah, this is actually 12. 0, uh, 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay. So this is actually 12, not 2. 0, 0, 1. This is 1. This is 12. Yeah. So from the first split, we are not debugging, right? Or are we? Answer is 1. Answer is 12. Then what's the current? Or we have this process first. Wait, something is smashed up here. Wait. Till now it is fine. Now we are processing this string. That means this. Left is 1, right is this. Okay. This is 1 and right is this. Okay. It is 1 and 12. Then we have 1 and 0 and 12. That is 24, 25, and 26. Tough here. Wait a minute. How come this is this? Oh, this is converted with this. Got converted this. Uh, I'm completely messed up now. Yes, we'll move to the next question then. Actually, I don't have energy now. This is a 1 hour stream. It's almost 1 hour, right? Yeah, it's 1 hour. and I fucked up in second question itself. It's a good implementation question, by the way. I don't know what is and what I meant, where I messed up. Can this AI help us? I just want to know where I messed up. What is the fix? What is anyway? We are not using this AI. It's fucked up. Yeah, that's it for today. We'll try. It was not. It was a good contest for learning perspective. Yesterday, like last time, was a good contest solving purpose. Like I solved. That's fine. That's fine. That's okay. Let me understand. Thanks for joining, everyone. Bye bye.